Alright, y'all. I just figured I'd stream. So, yeah. This has been crazy, guys. You know, I'm not here to put on a show or anything. I'm just trading. And, man, I have to say, guys, what a crazy 1 minute candle. What a crazy 1 minute candle, man. So, I got long when we came down and we got the most bullish divergence in the world on Bitcoin on the 12-minute time frame. We put in this low, and you know, basically what happened was we dropped, right? I didn't short here. I didn't have time to. We dropped. We came down. We hit the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. Confluence with the value area low. Confluence with the daily open. And when we came down here, guys, we had the most bullish divergence ever on the 12-minute time frame. Would you look at this? I've never seen something so bullish. I mean, it's so bullish that the momentum wave was like way up here, right? And I've been scalp shorting this way up. I don't know. This drop is pretty crazy, but the reason I shorted is because we had this naked weekly, naked daily point of control area right here. So I got in when we came up for the retest right here, in between the 786 and the 618, I got in right here after that rejection. So that's how I'm in the short right now. But, yeah, I don't really know what's going to happen here. We're obviously finding some support here on the golden pocket. We're finding support on the golden pocket. If we get a big move up from here, which we very well may, I don't know, the next area I'm looking... The next two areas I'm looking are right up here, actually. Between 20K, 2100 and 2200. For another short, honestly. Bearish divs. You know? What's going on, y'all? How many people we got in here? 200 people. That's not so bad. Yeah, this isn't really a stream where I do anything, really. I'm just here on the computer, so I figured, why not? Why not? You know? Yeah, if you're not in a trade, it's not a big deal at all, right? It's not a big deal at all. There's plenty of opportunities. This could be very bullish, though. I have to be honest. I don't think I'm going to take profit on my long. This could be super bullish, guys. The reason why I say this could be bullish is because, like, just looking... Look at that 4-hour candle, man. That is crazy. The reason why I say this could be so bullish is because, you know, we basically just got a retest of these lows. CDW. And we're at the bottom of the range. That value area low held so well. Like, look at what just happened here. We lost it. CDW came up, retested value area low, daily open as support, which also is the retest is still, you know, we're still holding this golden pocket from earlier. So very interesting stuff. Very interesting stuff. So shout out to everyone who dislikes the video, and shout out to everyone who likes the video, guys. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, if we come up to this area here, I'm honestly kind of liking a short from there. I gotta be honest right now. Look at this. Look at this. This is my jam, by the way. This really is my jam. So, the crazy volatility we've had here. It really is crazy volatility. But if we just take some time and zoom out here. You know, if we ignore what just happened, even if we don't ignore what just happened, I mean, we put in a low, we came up, we've retested this as support. And from the low to the high, we got to bounce right from here. So that's pretty crazy. We just have to be aware of these highs. This is resistance. And of course, I mean, if we don't, if we put in our lower low, you know. Schmeat to dump inbound. You know, I don't know. You know, who knows? You know, people talk about that. I don't know. We have weekly support at 19.3. Oh, interesting, man. Let's check that out. I guess I took that off my chart. Whoa, $666 of profit. Talk about satanic price action over here. Market manipulation. Shout out to Christian Lay again. Shout out to Evan Miles. What's going on, guys? Yeah, so obviously, I was stopped out of my old short. I had to enter a new short. And obviously, I was stopped out of my old long. Had to enter a new one. You know? So, whoever made the comment in the last stream about these meetings is just they're trying to stop hunt your schlong. You are right. That is a schlong stop hunt. But I can't be upset, guys. I can't be upset. That short that got stopped out was very juicy in profit anyway. So if I had to decide right now which side I was rooting for, I'd have to say I'm rooting for the long side, guys. I am rooting for the long side right now. But if we dump, you know. How did I re-enter the new short? So, the way I entered the short is because of this. We came up to this important area, and I know we already hit this area, but you have to understand, when we get a move like this, I don't consider any of these levels even hit. I don't consider this hit. You know, I don't consider it. I can't believe what happened in 1 minute. I was on a call with a friend. I'm like, oh man, Bitcoin's pumping. I log into ByBit because I was trying to short this area, and by the time I get a chance to short, we're like down here. Like, what the heck? So when we came up for that retest, I'm like, it's now or never. But here's the thing, I have to say, things look more bullish than bearish, right? I honestly believe that things look more bullish than bearish right now. I could be wrong, right? I don't know anything. I suck at life and trading and everything, you know. I'm an all-around horrible guy, you know. Fat, ugly, stupid, bad at trading, bad taste in music, bad taste in fashion. Lost my glasses. But I do have to say, things look a little bit more bullish than bearish. Money flow crossed on the 1 hour to the upside. Holding key support. Look at this lollipop doji right here. A purple lollipop. A grape lollipop we got right here. You know? Now the thing about lollipops is they're not too healthy, guys. Actually, they are healthy. Here's the thing. You can take horrible care of yourself, eat like crap, go to McDonald's, stay home, stay safe, eat ice cream while you watch Netflix, but as long as you've got these on your face, you will be healthy. Alright? That's the way to stay healthy. Go ahead and eat that lollipop. Go ahead and eat that sugar. You know, no worries. Sugar's not poisonous. You know what'll keep you healthy? Did you guys look at a TR chart during this nonsense? It was the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. Did you see that? That's crazy. I think it is. Wow. And I know that it's the desktop version is glitchy, glitchy as all get out, but man, that was crazy. So basically what happened here, guys, was, oh, I forgot to say, you know, the long too. Shout out to Jasic, by the way, for the super chat, man. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. So when we came up for this as well, guys, like we had some pretty bullish CVD also when we hit that golden pocket retest, right? So we came down, we put in our low, we had the most bullish divergences ever on market Cipher B, the 12-minute. And not only that, but when we came down to retest that golden pocket, we had some pretty dang bullish CVD divergences as well. Right? You know, these are rare signals. These are rare signals. I mean, we could even take it back. We could take it back to here. Look at that, right? I mean, it was so bullish that the divergence, you can't even see it on the 12-minute. But it's like, wow. But now we're dumping, right? So now we're dumping, man. So I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I was hoping it would be bullish. So I don't know now. It seems like we've died down. It seems like we've died down here. Looking good on the 170-year EMA. SPX, guys. SPX right now, not looking so great, I have to say. Oof, that is not looking good, guys. That is really not looking good on SPX, I do have to say. How's the dollar? You guys saw what the dollar done did? Now, I was getting excited because, you know, the dollar was actually losing the buoyant level. Right? Just a little while ago, we were below buoyant's level. Now we're coming up higher. So, you know what? Let's see what happens. Is the dollar going to get a retracement? And how's XPX doing? Not so hot, right? Not too hot. Yeah, not too hot, guys. Dang, are my bullish dreams going to be smashed to smithereens? Are my bullish dreams smashed to smithereens? Dang. Dang. Yeah, the dollar was dumping, right? But now it's not. Now the dollar's not dumping. Now the dollar's back to pamping. But let's see if we retrace, right? The dollar did have some pretty bearish divs here. Let's check out the 1 hour. I mean, that's a bearish candle if I ever done seen one myself. And that's even a bearish divergence right there, with even the money flow getting a little bit lower as we're printing that high. Sorry to go full southern on you, but Man. What a bummer, though, right? Huh, what a bummer. What happened to all my bullish hopes and dreams, guys? What happened to that? You guys think we're going to Goblin Town now? Dang. Man, we're dumping, guys. We are dumping. Market Cipher B has a bear claw. Yeah, I guess if we don't count this big dump, this was a pretty bearish divergence if we don't count that big pump. I mean, yeah. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, man. All right, all right. All right, bouncing from the 786, baby. I love these jams, man. They really get me. They get me kind of in the groove. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Justin Wilds, who's long. Yeah, I'm long too. Let's go, baby. Take profit on the short. I'll take profit on my short if my long gets stopped out. Because here's the thing, if we're really going to dump, man, if we're really going to dump, we're going to dump, you know? Shout out to DJ, who's also long. Yeah, I mean, technically we do have a bullish div here on the 1 minute, right? Shout out to whoever said that. David. How do you join the Discord? Patreon.com/Jason Casper. I love this song, man. This is my jam. Blue Boy track. What is Blue Boy? Jasic. Thank you for the super chat, by the way. Is that a song? You're right. 1 minute money flow. Man, I love when the beat drops on this track. You guys like that? This is what I like to trade to. What's my take profit on here? Well, here's the thing. Right now, I'm still holding this short to hedge my long. I know I'm still smoking the long hopium. I'll take some profits out if my long gets stopped out of my entry. That's the thing. I already made $2,000 on the long. I'm not going to take profit on my short unless my long gets stopped. Then I'll take some profit. And then hopefully, if we're going to be dumping, we dump. You know what I'm saying? But if we're going to lose the range, I have some low targets, man. If we're going to lose the range, I have some low targets. But I'm still smoking that bullish hopium. I'm still smoking that bullish hopium, but this is looking less and less bullish. But here's the thing. I would say my take profit on the short would be like 17.5. And then, you know, lower. Why not? Oof. Oh! Woo! Oh, snap! Oh, snap! Did you guys see that? Did you see that? Oh, my goodness. That's wild, bro. Here we go. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? If I almost got stopped out like this, and then and then we just pumped to 100K from here, that would be epic. How epic would that be? Let's check out an order flow chart real quick. Yeah. It's making me want to spit some bars, guys. I'm getting in that zone. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't see anything, honestly, looking too good, to be honest with you. I mean, it's pretty neutral. Shout out to Vince Pezzi. What's going on, man? Thanks for being here. Wow, that was crazy, man. We got bullish divs on the 1 minute, guys. Bullish divs on the 1 minute, baby. Uneven cheeks. Look at that. Look at that, man. What's going on? From Berlin. What's going on, Steven? We might get 750 likes. Yeah, if we get 750 likes, I'll still do a $500 giveaway. Absolutely. This might be a significant bottom, guys. You know what? Let me test out a hypothesis here. Okay. Would you check this out, guys? Would you check this out? We did just bounce from the macro golden pocket from the low to the high. You know, I didn't even notice that. Did you guys notice that? Did you see that? I just saw that. Did you see that? Because I saw it. I just saw it. Wow. Wow. Shout out to Jordan. Shout out to Lakey with the super chat. Lakey inspired blue boy. All right, let's see what is this. Let's listen to this. All right, for the super chat's sake. All right, I never heard this before in my life. Oh, that's what this is, huh? Oh wow, you actually know the name of the song. Nice. Oh. No matter what I do, all I could think about are blue and purple candles VWAP too. Ain't never heard of Wu Manchu. I love to trade with you. Oh, pull out my fib when I'm with you. Oh, got a .66 fib too. You never thought it would look like you. Oh. Nice, I like this song. Yeah, maybe we'll hold right here. I don't know. So shout out to Jasic, you know. Thanks, man. I didn't know that that was actually the name of the song. I had no idea. All right, now we can get back to I like lo-fi hip hop, you know. Royalty free lo-fi hip hop. That's my jam. You know. Those are my jams. Lo-fi beats. That's what I'm talking about. Shout out to Justin, who's walking through Walmart with his earbuds, bro. That's what's up, man. That is what's up. All right, okay. We're holding support, baby. We're holding support. That's what I'm talking about. Shout out to whoever opened along at 19K. Jacob Denny's. What's going on? Emancipator. I'll have to check him out. Shout out to Infinite Block. Thanks for the super chat, man. I really appreciate that. This is ByBit. ByBit allows you to schlong if you're using the USDT pair here. This is kind of a nice little track. Shout out to Tom Crown. Tom Crown, man, you know what? I stopped going, but then the volatility came in and I got in some trades. I'm just trading, so I figured if I'm trading, I might as well live stream it, man. So this isn't, I'm not here to put on a show. I'm just here to trade and talk and maybe spit some bars as we're listening to some dope lo-fi hip-hop beats, man. You know, got the rain in the background and stuff like that. But this is a little bit too lo-fi for me. Let's see if we can find something a little bit nicer. Nah, too lo-fi. You know, there's such a thing as too lo-fi. You know, this is like when all your energy's out at night. Coming down from the hype, bro. Yeah, I mean, what the heck, Tom Crown? Like, this is wild, bro. You know, by the time I realized Bitcoin was pumping, we were down to here. So, but it did make for some pretty good trades, I have to say. It really did. It really, really did. Compared to the rest of the day, if you know what I'm saying, man. All right, this is a little bit too This isn't the vibe I'm going for, guys. This isn't the vibe I'm going for. Yeah, I'm looking for a good mid-fi. You're right. Is that thing mid-fi? Mid-fi hip-hop? Yeah. Okay, mid-fi. Royalty-free. You know, trying to avoid those copyrights, man. Let's see. Is this copyright-free? I don't know. All right. All right, nah, this ain't what I want either, man. You know what? This is not what I want. Shout out to my thumbnail guy, by the way. Shout out to my thumbnail guy, who really knows how to make a good thumbnail. You know, he really knows how to make a good thumbnail. Is S&P breaking down? Shout out to Jeffrey Aldez. Yeah, what is Halloween lo-fi? That's not cool. I don't do Halloween, you know. I'm not down with that. I'm not down with that Halloween stuff. You know, I'm not down with that. I know, right? That Darth Maul candle on the 4-hour is absolutely insane, man. Well, man, figures the volatility would calm down during the live stream. That's how it always works. That's how it always works, guys. But this was just insane, right? This was insane. Hey, shout out to Ivan, who says, why do I use high leverage even though I don't need it? Well, because when I use high leverage, man, I do need it. It's a psychological thing for me. It's a psychological thing for me, man. Because the thing is, like, if I get liquidated, then that's it. You know, that's it. I don't have to play that game. You know what I'm talking about. You guys know that game. You know? The game where you're constantly moving your stop loss, the game where you don't want to admit that you're wrong. It's easy to admit you're wrong when you're liquidated. And then that's it. Whew, that's it. You know, you just lose. I mean, yeah, it sucks. I mean, I typically don't allow myself to get liquidated. I typically do use a stop loss, but worst case scenario, you know, you use that looser stop loss. And the way I like to trade, I'm typically trading where I'm very precise in my entries, right? Typically trading when I'm very precise. So using high leverage eliminates the need for me to take a bigger loss than I have to. I'm just going to be honest with you. I enjoy it. And plus, I have multiple accounts. And so I can split my trading capital among many accounts. And, you know, I have like 6 trading accounts. So I can just put a little here, a little there. Keep some off the exchanges. You know, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Keep it all in one ByBit account. And let's just say hypothetically that I just longed the bottom of Bitcoin, right? And I want to let this thing ride for months and months and months. Then I can go use another account. And so, you know, I don't want to put all my money in the account. I want to enter bigger positions without having all that crypto in the account. So there's a few reasons. And plus, man, the P&L screenshots. I mean, have you seen the P&L screenshots? I mean, have you seen them? You know? 100%? Wow. That's crazy. 100%. Wow, that looks good on paper. Let me tell you, that looks great on paper. You know? And life is all about how you look on paper. It has nothing to do with what's real. It has everything to do with what's fake. So I hope that answers the question. Thanks for asking. Shout out to GF Burke3 who came here for the uneven butt cheeks and the elevator music. Yeah, did Tino stream today or did Tino not stream today? I don't know. Yeah, Metaspawn has lost more money on low leverage. Me too. Me too. Because on low leverage, I've like let trades ride. Psychology, man, the trading psychology. The more things you can do to keep your psychology in check, the better. I've let trades ride for days. for days, knowing that they were losses, just hoping that I would break even. And I've been liquidated more on low leverage than I have high leverage. But there's a time and a place for low leverage. And so scalping with low leverage is a no-go for me. Scalping with lower leverage is a no-go for me. Swing trading with lower leverage, that's a totally different story. Because then you have your invalidations. You need that extra playing room. But when you're scalping your invalidations, you don't need that playing room. Like if I'm long from the golden pocket, which I was. If I'm long from here, let's see where I was long from. Right. If I'm long from here, I know that like if price comes down below here, boop, I need to get out the trade, right? I need to get out of the trade. I longed when we got this bounce here. So what do I need? I need a playing room of, 1%, 1%, That means I could use like 70x leverage and still not get liquidated unless price came below my point of invalidation. So, and these are scary times to trade too. You don't know what's going to happen here. You don't know. It's calculated risk. Calculated risks. So shout out to Crypto Carnage, who only trades and tattoos themselves. Well, that's cool, Crypto Carnage. Duper says he feels like scalping is cultural appropriation unless you're Native American, of course. That's true, I suppose. Duper. That's a good one, man. Yeah, what do you guys think is going to happen here? I mean, we've got the 1 minute momentum coming up, money flow coming down. 12 minute. I mean, conflicting signals for sure after a move like that one, Conflicting signals for certain. Hey, look, it's me. That's cool. We got some SpongeBob lo-fi beats right here. I'm digging this. You guys digging this? Yeah, wow, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, guys. When the beat drops, you know what I'm saying? Do I go live every day? Well, Superman, for the past 3 weeks, I haven't gone live once, besides my VIP Discord. But, the past few days, I've been going live every day. And you know what? I went live twice today. Technically 3 times. A VIP live stream, a public live stream, and now another public live stream. Yeah, I'm feeling that guitar work, too, Man, you guys hear that guitar? I love that, man. Really? Sato is 100x long? Does it have 2 T's or 1 T? He's in a 100x long. He looks a little stressed out, man. A little bit green. What the heck? This can't even be real. Is this real? I guess it is real. Do you guys think this is real? Where does he get all the money from? No, but seriously, like, where does he get the money from? I don't get that, because every single does he ever have anyone seen him win a trade? So I don't get it. Like, where does he get the money? Like, what does he do? Like, what's his day job? You know, I want to do that. I want to work a day job so that I can just trade all day and waste all my money. Well, where does his dad get the money? I guess. Man, this is really, I'm feeling something, guys, in my soul with this one. Man, this is some heartfelt music right here, man. Yeah, I know he's losing so big. That's the thing. Like, I can understand, like, taking losses. Like, if he was, like, he's losing millions. Like, who the heck has that kind of money to just throw away? There's no way he's making that on ByBit links. I mean, and who, I don't know. Like, he doesn't market himself. Like, I don't know. Like, it's weird, man. It's just weird. Because it seems like there's no monetary gain to be had. Like, there's other YouTube traders out there who are, like, risking money, but you know they could easily cover it from their ByBit affiliates. You know, they're, like, losing maybe, like, 30 grand, but, like, you know for certain they're making a lot more than that on ByBit affiliates. But, like, this guy, I don't know. He's losing millions. It's crazy. Yeah, I only paper trade. You know, because the purpose of life is to avoid all risks at all costs. Sometimes he wins. I guess I've never seen him win, because whenever someone talks about him, I guess, and they post him in Discord, they're like, Sato's, like, about to get liquidated. Am I still in my long? I don't know. Let me check. Yep, I'm still in it, guys. I'm still in the long here. Smoking that opium. Sorry. You know, if it makes you cough, that means it's really going to get the price high. Zoop. Yeah, I mean, some people make bank on affiliates. On ByBit affiliates. I mean, honestly, I make like a couple $1,000s a month on ByBit affiliates. So I can only imagine somebody whose full-time job is to promote ByBit and has way more subscribers than me. they're probably making a lot on ByBit affiliates, because the way it works is you get a percentage of the market fees. So if you have tons of people clicking your link and trading, it doesn't matter if they win or lose. If they win or lose, you still get a percentage of those fees. And so if you have like tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people under you, you could easily make, I don't know, like $100,000 or more a month, probably. Easy. But I don't shill ByBit that way, you know? If people want to use my link, they can. If they don't want to, that's fine. But I do shill my own stuff. I shill my own courses. You know? I shill my own products, right? Because I put my own heart and soul into that stuff. That's so crazy, though. I mean, even if that's true, like, that just is so wasteful to me. Like, his dad is a major executive at Fortune 500 companies. Like, I don't care how much money you have. If you're losing millions of dollars every day, how long can that go on? And why would you even want to do that? That's so freaking wasteful, man. I don't get that. But hey, to each their own, like, you know, to each their own, I guess. Why don't I trade ETH and only Bitcoin? I'm primarily a Bitcoin trader, man, especially during this time of year. You know, make sure to like the video, by the way, guys. We got like 300 likes, 600 people. I know, right? If I had that much money, I probably wouldn't trade it either. If I could afford to lose millions of dollars a month, I wouldn't trade that. All right, guys, so the markets are closed. New York is closed. New York is closed. We honestly have like a very slightly bearish divergence here, very slightly here. Now we're probably just going to hang out here for a while. I don't know, unless this is a horrible bear flag that's going to break down, which it could be. Which it totally could be. I'm bummed, guys. I really thought that this long was going to keep pumping. I thought we were going to go to like 20,600 today. I really thought that. I thought this dump was a fake out dump and we were going to pump. I thought we were going to keep on pumping, baby. So. Yeah, maybe he is an owner of the exchange, Alphonsus KJ. I will never do a leg workout in my life. That is just crazy. I mean, what? I don't know. So, oh, okay. So, you know what? This is a little misleading here because he's using a different currency. So, he's only down 44 bucks. All right. He's down a couple $100. I see. I see. I see. I see. Yo, yo, my name is Sato. Losing every money day, don't you know? Oh, oh, got a mustache on my face. What's up with the green guy, though? I don't get that. All right, you know, if the dollar is going to retrace, it's going to be from here. It's got to be from here. It's got to be from here. SPX closed super bearish on the day. SPX closed very bearish on the day. Yeah, that's bearish. Yeah, that's right. Chest workout only. That's the only way to go. For sure. Shout out to Romy. Shout out to Drifta Beats. Shout out to Great Life. Bye bye SPX. Yeah, that's crazy. What a crazy way to close. You know, the Awanda SPX is still open. I mean, still trading. And, man, SPX got hit hard, man. We got that pump, then we got that first dump, then we got that second pump. What did SPX do? I'll bet you, you know what? I should have been watching SPX because So SPX got the pump, then we dumped, hit the golden pocket. Then we rejected from the golden pocket. So I should have been watching this. He's stoked, man. He's stoked. We do have the pig nipple divergences going on here, guys. We've got full-on pig nips. On the 1 minute. Pig nips on the 1 minute. You guys see that? The nipples are getting higher and higher as the price is getting lower and lower. Price is coming down. We got the pig nipples right here. those little piglets gonna drink that milk. You know what pig milk does to little piglets, right? Pumps them. Pumps those little piglets. We got the piglet pump going on. Little piglet pump. Yeesh, he doesn't look so happy right now. He's probably going to get stop hunted, right? Is that a thing, stop hunts? I'm probably going to get stop hunted too. Ugh. I don't like that. I don't like that dissonance. I'm not a big fan of dissonance. Well, what do you guys think? It's getting to be that time. It's 4:18 my time, New York time. Let's see if this trade gets stopped out. I'll call it a day. Me and Sato in the same boat. Oh, just got a CDW. Oh! Now that's a real CDW right there. I mean, if we come up above the level. Alright guys, I'm going to head out, man. I'm going to call it a day. And what a day it's been, that's for sure. What a day it's been, man, seriously. Alright, God bless all you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.